Welcome, future filmmakers! I know it's mysterious. We're doing unboxing today. So, this is the RGB 150 metal LED video light. It's a nice light. Okay, so anyway, camera comes, the Neewer box, it's beautiful. You can see it has a whole bunch of directions in it. It tells you what all the back is, nicely packaged. So we're gonna crack this open for the first time. It's nice and sealed. I gotta say, Neewer definitely does a good job at packaging its items. I have yet to receive a Neewer item that is not nicely packaged. Can't wait to use a second light. So, when you pop it open, you see they give you a little, what is it, the silicone gel, just so that it helps it fight any kind of moisture that was in there. The light comes in a really nice soft foam box, and most times, yep, these lights do have there's a small problem. Whenever you buy them, you need to charge them. So you can see I'm trying to turn it on, it's completely dead. So I'm gonna get a USB-C and plug this one in, and we'll charge it up. That's I would just say keep a little power in there. You don't know how long these things are gonna be in there. But you can see when you open it up, it comes with the customer service paper sheet with a phone number and an email and a website. Comes with a little manual that tells you all the cool things about it. I'm pretty sure I actually gotta read through this. Maybe I can learn something different about my mount. It comes with the charging cable, which we're going to use. It has a hot shoe adapter, and it has a swivel mount with a 3/4 connector, so that you could slide it right up on in here. What's cool about this adapter here, and I'll do the close-ups, you see that it has the 3/4 and it has I'm pretty sure a 1/2 adapter, so that if you need to attach something bigger, it can slide on in and attach here. It's double mount, so that it could attach from the bottom, and it could attach. You could loosen the shoe mount and slide the shoe mount in, and then also it has a threading on the bottom here, so that you can attach it to another. Say you needed to attach it to a light stand or whatnot, you could. This goes right up on in here. The cool thing about it also has a suede bag for our comfort, and then we also have a Allen key set that matches the bolts for the arm. It has a nice little arm here. You can see the arm swivels out full 360 if you want. It's cool because it comes in with a built-in cut-in, so that if you want to plug in USB-C, yes, USB-C, you can charge it. It also has a hot shoe mount, so that if you want to say attach another, say we attach this to a light stand and we want to attach another light right to the top of it, we totally could. Is that clear? And it has all the controls. Now, I kind of had an idea that this was I was hoping it wouldn't be dead, but that's one of the complaints of these devices. They come with no charge in them. That I saw. Neewer, change it. So when you turn this on, it has a nice little display. You basically have your hue, your saturation. It tells you the percentage of the power that you have and how bright. You could dim it with the top knob. You could make it brighter with the other knob. If you want to change your setting, so you want to go to the presets. They have different presets. We have, this is just the what is it? Which Calvin is this? This is 25K to 8K. It's a 1500 lux. Again, you can make it brighter, make it darker. I can change the lux so that I can make the light more cooler, or I can make it more orangier. So 25, all the way up to, it should be 8K. What's cool is it goes up in increments of 100. Oh, I can go all the way up to 85. Oh, it was in the box. I just read it wrong. 85. So you can see, really white. Depending on your skin tone, you can add it. You can also, yeah, I like the colors. Colors are cool. They have a little gauge in the back here that tells you from 0 to 359, and it kind of relates to it. So you can see right now I'm at 257. So if you go to around 257, you can see here that it is roughly in the blue setting. So if I go up in numbers to, what is it? I'm only going up to 287. That's right around the purple setting. You can see it changes the light, which is kind of cool. I don't have to guess. If I know I want a yellow spectrum, then I know I gotta go hang out somewhere in the 60 zone. So let's lower it down. I'm at 150, 130, 40. I'm hanging out on it's 80. You start to see it's going yellow. So around 60 exactly, it's nice and yellow. And if I go to 0, it's red. Oh, I went. Oh, what's cool is it goes right back around to 359. So that's kind of cool. But yeah, great little light. I got 2 because I want to have fun. I'm going to be buying the Bluetooth one next, so that I can control these Bluetoothly and I don't have to worry about like running up and touching them. But I will say, at a pinch, having 2 of these is awesome. I know I got them on sale. So yeah. So that's that. Hope you enjoyed. Buy some Neewer lights. They're great.